red light therapy seems to be all the rage right now for your skin and your complexion, you know, and all the things. This one is actually very relaxing. So these are red light glasses. They have massage and heat. And let me show them to you. Come with this so that you can hang them around your neck. And then they are very comfortable. And there are 3 controls here. There's an on and off button. The middle one is for massage, and there are 3 settings for the massage and 3 settings for the heat. The heat feels really good, so they recommend that you wash your face first and that you put on eye cream or moisturizer under your eyes and then sit and relax with these for a few minutes. So not only is it relaxing, but it's also working on that skin under your eyes. So these are very cool, a very nice quality. I really like the strap, and the strap is adjustable so you can make it longer or shorter. It comes with the cord to charge it. It also has automatic shut off. So these are pretty cool.